Be aware of acid reflux by learning its symptoms. Every day, the digestive system is always being used due to regular food and liquid intake. When food and drinks are induced, it goes through a passage called the esophagus that helps break down the food. When food reaches its destination or the stomach, acid and pepsin is released to help aid in the process of digestion. If and ever a problem in the digestive system occur, many people often neglect these possible problems by using home remedial treatment to aid with digestive problems. However, a common digestive disease that most people have neglected and encountered is the acid reflux or heartburn. This digestive disease or disorder occurs when the esophagus is irritated by the acid regurgitating to the stomach while acid is being seeped back through the esophagus and throat. There are different kinds of digestive disease, but the most common of all is acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, known also as heartburn. There are symptoms to indicate if you have acid reflux. These symptoms will likely help an individual indicate whether they have acid reflux. The most common symptoms that acid reflux is associated with is the searing sensation in the digestive tract, usually the chest or throat, that individuals will encounter. Even symptoms of hoarseness, acid in the mouth, sour or bitter taste, wheezing and coughing are also symptoms of acid reflux. Luckily, acid reflux has special characteristics that are most helpful in indicating its existence. These characteristics involve particular activity to be avoided, such as avoid lying down or bending over, while other individuals have difficulty when eating. Others, however, have tried physical activity like exercise to be rid of acid reflux, but unfortunately, even exercise cannot ease the symptoms. Most likely, use of antacids can be helpful and can actually ease the symptoms of acid reflux. As such, symptoms of acid reflux are often mistaken for symptoms of a heart attack. Acid reflux disease can happen to all ages, including infants and young children. Although infants have a tendency to have acid reflux or heartburn, this condition usually fades in time while young children can develop acid reflux like other adults. Usually in adults, acid reflux is caused by poor diet, lack of physical activity, and even lifestyle. There are other factors that could also cause acid reflux. These factors are most common during pregnancy because women in this stage have increased hormone levels and in sense, the stomach is being pressured due to pregnancy. Also, obesity, overeating, some beverages and medications, and particular foods are also factors that can cause acid reflux. A person who thinks he or she has acid reflux should learn more of the symptoms caused by it. In this way, individuals can indicate this condition and take certain precautions to prevent possible occurrences due to acid reflux. For a fact, the best way to avoid acid reflux or heartburn is through prevention. By doing so, individuals will be able to avoid occurrences of acid reflux and at the same time, have a healthy lifestyle. Most often, acid reflux are caused by inappropriate diet. Therefore, have a proper diet and nutrition to aid its eradication. A patient with acid reflux can lead to a more serious condition that could cause more problems even in the respiratory system due to continuous coughing and loss of breath. If acid enters this area, it can be damaging. Therefore, learn the symptoms to avoid a more serious problem due to acid reflux.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.